Welcome. This is our DHK EVO series screw compressor. Our two-stage rotary evolution series boosts productivity with up to 35% cost savings. The inverter soft start ensures safety, and two-stage operation improves efficiency by 7 to 15% over a single-stage compressors. To cool down the motor, a forced fan is standard on models of 75 kilowatts and above. The DHK EVO series features an elastic coupling between the air end and motor, delivering direct drive with an inverter for energy savings. The air suction is controlled by a valve and piston. The two-stage oil-lubricated screw block reaches operating pressure in 2 stages, offering high efficiency and reducing specific power by 7 to 15% compared to single-stage screw compressors. The thermostatic mixing valve first checks the oil temperature. If it is below 55 degrees, it directs the oil to an oil filter and then to the screw. If the oil temperature exceeds 55 degrees, it is sent to cooling instead. High-temperature oil and air are cooled in the radiator. Air and oil cooling on our compressors is ensured by more efficient cooling and low noise, provided by the radial fan. The radial fan is available on our EVO models of 75 kilowatts and above. The radial fan is controlled by an inverter, and in some models with forced fans, the capacity can be reduced by up to 30%. The doors are easily removable for maintenance, and openable radiator covers are featured in compressor models from 75 kilowatts to 200 kilowatts. The electrical panel complies with CE standards and is equipped with a microprocessor control unit. The control panel has user-friendly and technology-compatible advanced control logic, strong security and prevention of unauthorized access with RFID card. The working noise level is measured in decibels A in accordance with ISO 21151. Our compressor is Industry 4.0 compatible and can be monitored remotely. It can also be optionally equipped with water cooling or integrated with a heat recovery exchanger.